minutes. Spend the whole 5 minutes doing your video.
Is it in the oven?
Circle and scratch.
Ming Ming down.
So you have to hold it. And walk through. Keep walking through.
Watch your head.
You can click in the walk button.
Boy, electrocuted. Ming Ming.
Okay, we have to do jump circle at the same time. On these two switches. You hop on that switch.
Okay.
Jump circle. One.
Jump circle. Yay. Play sa mga play. Di pa daddy good for it.
Oh, jump on that. On the wall. Wait. I need to jump right. No, just stay on there. Jump on it. Okay. Oh, you got to. Oh, now you can stand down. Oh, you don't even have to jump. Yeah, now you're okay. Now you just need it to...
May pa-delivery si Daddy. Nara siya, oh. Sada na siya. Deliver from us to you. Chick-fil-A. So, for lunch. So, Mommy won't cook. Won't make guys as lunch. Thank you, Amahan. Thank you, Daddy. Kasi Daddy nag-work man today. Hello, excited po si Ili. Oh, nag-smell. Yay! Yummy, yummy, yummy. Anong in-order ni Amahan? Oy, may chocolate shake. Yan. Excited? Excited na po ang bata. Oh. Excited lagi si Ezekiel. Hala, kalami. Fries. Thank you ni Daddy.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, God. Thank you, Dad.
Thank you, Daddy. Kuha daw ko niya, orderan daw ko niya food para di na daw ko magluto. Kuha niya, anniversary, lunch. Daddy, nag-working man. A lot of chicken. Para kasikil, huwag ako ng favorite. Favorite ni Mami na may chicken. Ang nakalamit niya nila guys, kaya ang Chick-fil-A sauce. Yeah, that's cheese. You can eat it, Ezekiel, if you want.
I don't like cabbage.
Okay.
I only like that.
So, may chocolate shake tapos Coke.
That's for only you.
No, we can share, silly. That's a lot. If it is only for Mommy, not gonna happen, because Mommy only eat this one. You guys eat this one. But you can have a bite to eat Mommy's sandwich, okay? I thought it's Coke ba? Soda.
But there's no soda.
Daddy get the that's okay, kasi I have man drink.
Soda is bad.
Daddy get the 2 chocolate shake.
Which one is good? I want the good one.
You guys happy? There's 2 chocolate shake, guys. Yeah. I thought really it's soda, yeah? It looks like soda first, huh? Okay, let's go.
Wait, what?
Either one.
We can.
Your daddy want chocolate milk?
This one is coffee. Coffee flavor. One is chocolate, right? Chocolate milk, the one we always like. Chocolate shake. This one is coffee. No mo money. Coffee day na. Ay, go try this one, Sikil. Drink din si Sikil. Even read Daddy's order. So, the other one is milk, shake, chocolate, and what's this? First, coffee, chocolate. Coffee plus chocolate. So, that's why I didn't read the kuan. So, that's why I'm just using this one is soda.
Let's taste this
one.
one.
Soda, kuan.
Taste
Yeah, I
this
think
one.
you can just taste it. Let's see if you like it. It's coffee chocolate. It is yummy. Daddy would be happy. He's like, oh, Ezekiel likes the coffee chocolate. Yeah. Coffee chocolate. Oh, milk
But
chocolate.
it tastes steady first.
Yeah, where are you going? Dong.
Let's go. Let's have video.
Not video.
Come on.
Mom, but not video.
Mom. Mom, there's not video. I video. My favorite.
Video.
Oh, she didn't video, so she want me to video.
You're in a video?
No, but she didn't video.
Oh, you're protecting mom?
Oh, thank you, Ezekiel.
Because she's videoing right now.
She will not.
Hala.
Why is her phone out?
Hala. Oh, she's protecting. I thought she's just telling you like, Dad, she's videoing. She's protecting the Daddy. Thank you, Ezekiel, for being my lawyer. Magkaon-kaon lang mi sa among anibersaryo ni Amahan. Simpleng selebrasyon. Kaya wala may laag-laag. So, kaon-kaon lang taginagmay mga mamag-sir na naangging. Tias is there. And si Dada. Hi, Tias. Hi, Ezekiel.
People came away.
Kaon ginagmay. Yes. Excited na daw siya mag-eat daw sa date daw ni Mami and Daddy. Ay. Oh, get kayo. Matias and Daddy is here. Mami. Huh?
There's too many customers.
Yep, there's too many customers. Si Batuti. Smell it na daw. Smell it na daw niya. Mami. Thank you very much. So, yeah, we've been here before.
Chicken will be the double pork chop, the green beans and the loaded baked potato. 8-ounce sirloin medium, the hot beans with rice and corn, and the 16-ounce ribeye medium well, just slightly beef with rice and satay mushrooms.
Thank you. Ezekiel, where are you? Oi! It's crazy. Get on. Good. Ezekiel and Matthias got steak too. Yummy? Yeah? Uy! Gotta get one.
Just been eating french fries.
How about Matthias? Is that good? Yes?
Did you try your steak yet?
Will you try? Good or not? Uy! Hungry na sila. Is that beautiful moon? Wow! Moon. What?
Vlogging it.
You're blocking the moon?
Yeah.
Blocking. Oh, the moon is so beautiful.
Tiny.
Ang among
It's like this big.
sobra. Nagyo permiso lupin baon.
Look,
Ali na mi. Mga mamag sir.
it's like my hand.
Can't stop talking jud ni si Bida Bida. Bida 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 Max.
I'll rip the.
Sige na. Nabot na mi kanindot sa moon oh. Nindot kayo ang moon guys. Gabi na gyud. Ngali na sa ngali na may gabi mga mamag sir. Mayong buntag Philippines. Hope you guys have a good day.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.